The introduction of cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others made one thing clear to researchers: the blockchain is staying put. With this trust and calculation mastery, the cryptographers and researchers stayed at work longer than required to make a special digital money that could hold an incentive at a brilliant future cost, empowering taking credit, making installments, and all in replaceable nearby monetary forms. Before we start with a point-by-point Nexo cost forecast, we should really look at the coin outline. What makes Nexo extraordinary? Nexo is a blockchain-based loaning stage that gives digital money upheld credits to clients. These advances don't need a FICO rating, and this component makes it an appealing choice for clients. With the Nexo stage, clients store upheld crypto resources for procure a moment advance in 45+ government-issued types of money. Check the total Nexo survey here. After saving, a credit line opens up, and no credit check is essential. Clients can spend from their acknowledged line whenever for the Nexo card or pull out straightforwardly to their ledger. The whole system of Nexo depends on two standards: 1, versatility of exchanges, and 2, working with a smooth combination with different applications. It appears Nexo will thoroughly change the worldwide skyline of installments and furthermore is a wise venture choice. A remarkable component of Nexo has been the carrying out of free virtual cards that likewise permit no restriction transformations of monetary forms. These cards can be utilized for limits, and the best advantage clients determine is they can pay in their nearby monetary standards. Nexo, specialized investigation like other digital currencies. Nexo also is generally subject to value development and request and supply and is profoundly weak despite the fact that it depends on blockchain calculations. Specialists fluctuate as they would like to think about the commitments Nexo holds in the years to come. In light of verifiable information, soon after Nexo showed up on trade in 2018, its most memorable large flood came, and among April and May, the cost of Nexo rose from 55 cents to 98 cents, a significant leap that mirrored an immense measure of early financial backer interest. Nonetheless, it stamped nearly flattish energy till September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo scaled above 73 cents. However, at that point, it confronted a slight rectification and retested the 50 cents mark. Shockingly, in the coronavirus stage, the verifiable information showed when any remaining monetary standards exhibited a bleak execution, the Nexo cost displayed soundness, acquiring financial backer certainty and showing an extraordinary flood in energy with no Nexo cost drop knowledge starting from the start of 2021. Be that as it may, in 2022, the cost of Nexo was revised constantly, and it shut the year around 62 cents. Being recorded on most of trades gives Nexo a supportability advantage that impacts Nexo's conjecture contrasted with conventional monetary forms. The ongoing cost of Nexo weights around 75 cents with a 24H value change of plus 0.23% and a 24-hour volume of $6,611,251 with a market cap of $425,261,495. There is at present a flowing stock of 560,011 Nexo tokens on the planet. According to the Gauge Information Examination, the cost of Nexo is supposed to cross the degree of $1.50. Before the year's over, Nexo is supposed to arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.68. Financial backers and holders of crypto resources should know the cost of Nexo in 2023. Nexo conjecture completely relies upon the value development and opinion. The cost of Nexo could reach $3.05 toward the finish of 2023. Despite the fact that Nexo cost expectations for the time of 2023 to 2030 are impartial as far as development, the drawn-out standpoint for Nexo appears to be positive to date. There is a ton coming up for financial backers, as expressed by specialists. Nexo costs might go on upwards, crossing $1.50 by the 2023 end and soaring all through the remainder of the year, acquiring financial backer help in hopeful gauges. Nexo value expectation 2023 going by the investigation of more limited and longer Nexo cost patterns. Almost certainly, the year 2023 may not be ideal for Nexo for heighten, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. There is an estimated possibility of the Nexo crash to 70 cents, and the greatest cost might be around $1.70. Yet again, Nexo value expectation 2024 expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist in view of expectation at the cost of Nexo. and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Nexo will control the crypto realm, wiping out BTC strength with a presentation of cost fixed at $2.01. Nexo can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in antagonistic circumstances, predominantly as a result of areas of strength for it. Nexo value expectation 2025. The current year's expectations could stamp the benchmark year, as the cost of Nexo is estimated to outperform $2.50 definitely, principally on the grounds that this year, no critical variables like the pandemic or downturns are expected to shake the foundations of world economy, and it is normal that the greater part of the harm done would be making a course for fixed work in every world economy. Nexo value expectation 2026, as indicated by our Nexo cost conjecture in view of specialized examination and past information, this digital money could leap to about $3.59 by December 2026. Simultaneously, the base and normal costs are supposed to be around $2.95 and $3.27 individually. Nexo value expectation 2027 keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern. There are expectations that the Nexo cost is ready for a rise even in 2027. The cost of Nexo, as well, will run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern, lines contacting the $4.45 mark in light of cost forecasts. Nexo value expectation 2028 considering our Nexo figure, specialized examination, and market refreshes, with many ventures reaching realization before the year's over. The inside and out most exorbitant cost of $5.75 cannot be precluded for Nexo, making it a productive interest in the digital money market, contrasted with government-issued types of money. Nexo value expectation 2029 as per our Nexo conjecture. The token is supposed to exchange at least cost of $5.55 with a most extreme cost of $8.15. Simultaneously, the typical worth of the token for the whole year might be around $6.85. Nexo value expectation 2030 master financial backers of computerized coins generally plan for the long haul instead of the momentary cost developments, with a touch of persistence and keeping their expectations high in the drawn-out gauges. Financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2030 as the reception of Nexo will fill dramatically as far as cost and market cap by when Nexo will not anymore a guileless participant in the realm of digital forms of money, however a carefully prepared player. It is normal to exchange at a limit of $10.01 in 2030 in view of our Nexo expectation. Does Nexo have a future? Nexo is a cryptographic money that has a savvy and brilliant future. Riding the crypto wave, it will run the computerized realm, thus for of installment, it would have a long rule. Indeed, even online entertainment stages like Twitter and Facebook affirm Nexo's strength over BTC's predominance. Is putting resources into Nexo a smart thought? Indeed, as per our Nexo cost conjecture, putting resources into it will be really smart at the ongoing cost level. Notwithstanding, an expected level of effort is generally prudent. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any overglad clarifications required in the event that you contribute mindfully and track the Nexo cost estimates routinely throughout some stretch of time. Where could I at any point purchase Nexo? At the present time, you can buy Nexo at significant exchanging stages in crypto trades like Binance, Coinbase, and Bitfinex. Does Nexo offer total namelessness for all exchanges?